Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to today's XRP video update. I have a lot of requests for XRP at the moment, and I do see XRP moving. It's been quite an amazing journey for XRP. You actually went to the upside like this, made a little bit of a flag, you broke to the upside, went up again, you made another flag, you broke to the upside, met the technical targets. If I do actually look at this bull flag here, did I say bear flag? It's actually bull flag. So from there to there, we're looking for this price technical target to come up to nearly 0.5320, and you actually did that. You actually went to 0.5581. Now at the moment, however, is this the time to continue, or is this the time to retrace? I really don't know if this thing can get so bullish and continue to go to the upside. But however, I'm going to tell you something that I do see. Number one is you are do you know RSI and anything about the RSIs? You see, the RSI is pretty much overbought, okay? So you've reached a certain place. Now there could be a little bit of a room to go a little bit higher, and I'm actually going to bring in this trend line of the RSI, and I'm going to drop the trend line of the RSI. But if you do continue a little bit higher, you might actually go to the RSI itself, okay? But still, to me, this doesn't seem to me like a good idea to buy, because once again, you are overextended and you're really reaching nearly that price level of the extension to the upside. You might just go to the top of the RSI, get rejected, and then from here start to roll over to the downside, okay? Now however, there's one more resistance over here of the RSI. You can see that another resistance right over there. So let me actually remove the bigger resistance. So let's zoom in to this one particular price level that I want to actually match up with what XRP is doing, and I think this is where you could even start to roll to the downside as well. So previously you came up to 72 level of the RSI, and now you came up to the 72 level of the RSI again. When you wound up to 72, you got rejection and you went to the oversold to the 20 level, and now again you're coming up to the 72. You could potentially get rejected here and start to go to the downside. Even if you cross it, could be a little bit of another small push up and then go back down, because it's not still a good idea. If you look on the daily time frame, I'm not talking about scalpers, but if you look at the daily time frame, that could not be a good idea. Now that you've actually reached first resistance, there's another candlestick that says that potentially you could start to drop to the downside, okay? And let's remove the RSI. Now the RSI has reached a resistance level, and there's a candlestick known as a spinning top, and this is a bearish spinning top. This huge one green candle, spinning top are like this one. They look like this, and they have some body like this, okay? They look like a spinning top. Have you ever played with a spinning top? Let's go to Google once again and check what spinning top really is, and yeah, not spinning top, it's gonna be spinning top right over there. And if I show you the images, this is how the spinning top looks like, okay? Something like this, and that's exactly the type of candle that you've printed out, okay? So that's the spinning top that you're looking for. And one more thing now is to talk about the candlestick as well, okay? So this is going to be the spinning top candle. If you want to learn more about candlestick and learn trading all in all, the best way, I do have a course for you, so do check out the course. It's going to bump up to $249. It's $49 right now. All right, so spinning top, here we are. This is how they actually look like. I'm going to take this image right there, and you do have this spinning top right over there. Now fortunately, what you do have for XRP is the following spinning top, and what this one means is that when you go in an uptrend like this and this spinning top appears, it's time to go to the downside. Now however, you made one bearish candle here, you made another red bearish spinning top there, but it got invalidated, okay? Now it doesn't mean that you can all invalidate it again, right? This is something that you want to see. Now to continue higher, that means if you actually go above 0.55 and you continue higher, that means you can actually go near 5.9 or 6-ish and then go down again, okay? So if you actually end up taking 5.5, this spinning top is going to be invalidated, but right now you have to be careful because it can be in play, and this is where it can go down. Now that's the candlestick. There's one more hint that I just saw on the 15 minutes time frame that shows XRP is in some sort of a deep trouble right now, okay? And that is there's a little bit of this left shoulder here, you got the head, and you could potentially be printing in some right shoulder right there. So if I do bring in the neckline right here, it's like you're popping down to the neckline. You actually popped out before down here, you popped out, you went for the retest, you came down again, you're popping to the downside. Now that's kind of weird. This is manipulation in my opinion, because it should have gone down from here, but that was kind of a manipulation. But my best guess is right now, probability, trading is all probability. Now that you're breaking down, you could be looking to come down to 4.3, and based on the current price right now, you're looking for a drop from there to there. Could be 11% retracement to the downside at the moment. So be very, very careful. In my opinion, it's really overextended. I wouldn't suggest buying very, very big, huge green candles to the upside. Could be time that you go down and retrace a little bit. And that's pretty much it for this update on XRP. I'm going to see you in the next one.